My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Stellar XLM coin, friends. A lot of people message me that kindly make a video on Stellar XLM, that what's the change goes at this time in Stellar XLM, and what should we do at this time. A lot of people confuse that what should they do at this time. As you know, the funding of the Stellar XLM starts now from the previous last 1 week. Stellar XLM falls down, friends. So a lot of people, that is why confused that what should they do, as it is time to buy, sell, or hold Stellar XLM. So finally I decide to make a video for my subscriber, for my viewers, friends. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now as you can see here on the screen, at this time the price of the Stellar XLM is about 0.530496 USD dollar is the current price of XLM coin, friends. Now if you look the change occur in XLM, and the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is positive, and the last 1 week change is also a negative, friends. So a lot of people, that is why confused, because the change goes as in the last 1 week as negative, last 1 hour change is negative, friends. And the market rank of the XLM is about 15. Now let's see for more details. Let's check it out the price prediction chart of the XLM, what change goes in the last 1 hour, friends. That is the currently price change occur in XLM you are watching now on the screen, friends. The change occur in the last 1 hour in XLM is about negative 0.62%, and the high price is about 0.5341 USD dollar is a high price of XLM in the last 1 hour, friends. Now friends, if we look the technical analysis of the last 1 hour, so the technical analysis is about as you can see here. Now let's suppose that is a support level, that is a support level, and that is a resistance level, friends. Let's suppose that is a highest point, that is a resistance level, friends. So as you can see here, they continue has traveled between these two lines. As you can see here, take a jump, falls down, sorry for the later time, falls down, and after falls take a jump, and again falls down, friends. And after this they gonna again take a jump, friends. So don't worry, they are not falling down, they are not break support level. If they break, so I can't believe that what's kind of change occur in the XLM if they break the support line, friends. So absolutely a very bad change occur in the XLM when they break the support level. Hopefully they are not broken the support level, and they freely move upward, friends. Now let's see for more details. Let's check it out the last 1 day price prediction, and let's see the 1 day technical analysis, that what change go according to the last 1 day technical analysis. Oh my god, oh my god, as I told you in the start of this video. So let's see the technical analysis. As I told you, if this support, if they break the support level, so very bad shades occur in an XLM. As you can see here, let's zoom it. As you can see here, friends, and in the start of this video I will give you this is a support level. But now currently if you look the last 1 day, so the last 1 day price support level is about this. Last 1 day support level is about this, and last 1 day resistance is about this, friends. So as you can see here, now the falls occur in XLM, and after falls take a jump, and now falls take a jump for a little time after. So if we look the currently last 1 day price prediction, last 1 day technical analysis, so I mean that's now at this time there is a falling time of the XLM. They falls down approximately from this line, from the support level, and after this they maybe take a jump, or maybe again falls down. We can't say about the future, but the last 1 hour support level they can break, I think, at this time, friends. So a lot of chances at this time is to 70% chances to they falls down, and 30% chances to they move upward, friends. So what's your opinion about Stellar XLM? Please share in the comment box, and kindly subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates about Stellar XLM. Thank you so much for watching this video.